everybody, this is Cricket coming to you today with one of my new favorite shops. This is Coffee Break Planner. You can check them out on Instagram and right here at coffeebreakplanner.com. This is the freebie that I got. Isn't that cute? Love it. And then here is the full boxes. I believe in Santa. Isn't that sweet? I love this. I love the colors of it. So sweet. And then the day covers, and these are a la carte, so you buy them page by page. So if there's a page that you don't need, she doesn't make you get it. You buy it, you get it, and the prices are phenomenal. And I will have a PR girl's name down below with her code as well that I had used so that she can get credit for it. So check that out as well. Here are the day covers. I love that she gives you 4 different versions. Your bottom washies, beautiful as well. So cute. I love this kit. I love this kit. I fell in love as soon as I saw it. I believe in Santa half boxes, quarter boxes, and then more half boxes. And that is it. Like I said, these were a la carte so that, you know, if there's something in a kit that you don't necessarily need, this would be perfect for you. Or if you're a no white space planner, this would be perfect for you. All right, so go check them out. Check down below the PR girl that I used and get her code and save you some money. And they have new releases every Monday night, so check them out. 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I believe, is when it is. So I hope to see you there, and I'm going to be watching because I can't not watch. They're phenomenal. So I will hope to see you soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.